Hi, fashion lovers, guys, trending Bubu 2025. In fact, like these Bubus, they will trend from now to 2025. They are giving Odogu wife, Oga wife. They are giving rich. They are giving class. The Bubus are, name it, they are beautiful. They give you that vibe, they give you that feeling, they give you that appearance of wealth, riches, odobu wife, now if you're looking for beautiful bubbles, you need to have any of these bubbles. You need to have any of these bubbles in your closet. If you don't have any of these bubbles in your closet, you are darling, seriously, darling. All right, these are classy bubbles. It gives the vibes. Okay, like when you want to enter an occasion, go to an occasion, and you want to look out, you want to stand out, you want to look like Oga's wife, you want to represent. These are the bubbles you need. All right, so guys, go through the bubbles. They are beautiful, classic, colorful. All right, you need to have this in your wardrobe. You need any of this in your wardrobe. All right, these are beautiful bobos. You need to have them. Okay, look at how beautiful they are. They are trending, really. They are trending. They are trending bobos. All right, and if you don't have any of these bobos, you are darling out already. What? It is beautiful. Look at this black. This black is so beautiful. You can see that. And check out this orange. White. This is lovely. Okay, so you need any of this in your wardrobe. And guys, if you want me to do video on any of these bubbles, just let me know in the comment section. This particular white is actually trending right now. This white, it comes in different colors. Okay, it's actually trending right now. All right, these are beautiful bubbles. Okay, you can rock them with canvas, heels, whatever you feel like. All right, it still gives you that look, that's Oga vibe, Oga wife's look. Odogu where they spray money wife, you get. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Okay, and like the video, guys, like the video, share to your friends, your fellow friends, to make any for you. They are really beautiful. I love this particular one. It gives class. They are beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and remain tuned. I post amazing videos daily. Okay,